Welcome to the channel, Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you a couple methods on how to fix notifications on WhatsApp. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you can do is go to WhatsApp, and then go to Settings in the bottom right corner, and then you want to find Notifications. Once you're here, you want to make sure that all the notifications are on. If that's not the case, you can then back out of here, go to Settings, scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Should be near the bottom. Once you've selected it, you then want to find Notifications. You want to make sure that this is turned on, because if it is not, you will not be receiving notifications on WhatsApp. Another thing you can do is back out of here, scroll down on the right side of your screen, and you want to make sure that Do Not Disturb or Sleep or anything like this is turned on, because if this is turned on, you'll not be receiving notifications on WhatsApp. Finally, the last thing you can do is go to Settings, and you want to scroll up and find General. Click on iPhone Storage. You want to find WhatsApp within iPhone Storage. Once you have found it, you'll then have to offload the app. All this will do is free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data safe, so you don't have to worry about any of your chats or calls disappearing. It just kind of helps the app run a little bit smoother. But once you're done offloading, go ahead and reinstall the app, and then open it back up and see whether or not the notifications are popping up. But I hope that one of these methods does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying 2,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.